Hey future builders, put down the meme for just a sec. In the next few minutes, we are not just learning about the cloud, we are unlocking the secret superpower behind every app you use, every game you play, and every viral video you share. Get ready to build the future. Ever tried to run a huge game on your phone and it freezes? Or maybe you want to share a massive video project with friends, but it's just too big. That's what happens when you're limited to just your own device. It's like trying to host a massive concert in your dorm. Your device has limits. It's a single point of failure. So what if you could tap into a worldwide network of the most powerful computers on earth? That's the cloud. It's not some fluffy white stuff. It's a shared, limitless superpower you can access from anywhere. You don't have to own the equipment. You just connect to it and use it whenever you want. It's like having the computing power of 100 computers in your pocket. Why should you care? Because this is your innovation cheat code. Launch faster. Got an idea for a social app? Don't spend months setting up servers. You can build and deploy it globally in minutes. Scale limitlessly. Your app goes viral overnight. The cloud automatically adds more power to handle the rush. No crashes, no downtime. Save money. No need to buy expensive hardware. You only pay for what you use. That means you can build a startup from your laptop without breaking the bank. Think about it. Every time you stream a show on Netflix, play a multiplayer game, or chat on WhatsApp, you are connected to the cloud. It's the invisible engine powering the digital life you already live. The next big AI breakthrough, the next viral game, or all of it's built on the cloud. The cloud isn't just one thing, it's a buffet of services. Think of it like a restaurant. Infrastructure as a service, you rent the kitchen and all the appliances. You bring your own ingredients and do all the cooking yourself. Platform as a service, the kitchen is fully stocked and ready to go. You just bring your special recipe and use their tools to cook. Software as a service, you just walk in and eat the food that's already prepared for you. Like using Gmail, Google Docs, just open the app and it works. This isn't just about theory. The cloud is your golden ticket to the best jobs in tech. Want to be a cloud architect, DevOps engineer, data architect, AI developer? The cloud is the foundational skill for all of them. It's the new baseline for a career that lets you innovate without limits. This is just the beginning. In this series, we are going to dive deep. We'll explore the actual tech giants, AWS, Azure, GCP, how virtualization makes it all possible, and how to keep your data safe and sound with security. Here's the best part. The cloud is your gateway to the next revolution. While your laptop uses bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits that can be both at once. This is how we are supercharging AI, helping it solve problems in seconds that would take normal computers 100 days. The tech world is moving at a rap speed. Are you going to be stuck building projects that only run on your laptop, or are you going to build something that can handle 1 billion users? The cloud is your ticket to building the future, not just learning about it. Don't just watch, engage. Drop your cloud questions in the comment below. Hit that like button. You're ready to level up. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss chapter 2, where we'll unpack the 3 core service models that power the entire cloud universe. Bye for now.